This is for S2000. This is the Mishmoto Radiator. It's the Xline. So I'll just do unboxing for y'all, honestly. So it seems like it's like already kind of like open, or it's been in a warehouse for months. Either or. Definitely seems like it's been open before. Maybe it was a return? I don't know. Hey, stickers, dude. Mishmoto air freshener stickers. Guess this is like the drainage valve with a O-ring. Use this adapter if installing 02 to 09 S2000. So I guess this is like the adapter plates and stuff like that for the sensors and stuff. Okay. So it's just like black. Oh, that thing's nice. This thing's really nice, actually. So this is the Mishmoto Xline Radiator. It has 3 channels instead of just 2 or 1. Normally, like the KOO or KOYO radiators are only 2-way, and some of the Mishimotos are just 2 ways. But this is the only Mishmoto radiator with 3 ways. It's called the Xline. It's actually one of their most expensive radiators for the S2000. I got it for sale for a pretty good price, so I went ahead and grabbed it because I need a new radiator, and I've just been using a cheap ass Amazon radiator, and it's not cooling really not that good. Having some overheating problems. It's not that good. It's just some basic 1-way aluminum radiator. So I bought this. I bought the best of the best because I felt like I was wrecking my car. Honestly, everything's good. I definitely think this is a used radiator. I don't know why, but some of the prongs are already damaged. This kind of sucks, low key. Yeah, a lot of the prongs are already beat up. That's actually kind of lame, dude. I was expecting to get this and be like 100% like refined and clean, but like honestly, let me take the wrap off and I can show you all this. This is Loki's pulling my Amazon radiator regarding this. And it doesn't even have the black Mishmoto thing on it. It's weird. Maybe it's a refresh? I don't know. Oh, there's a black one. Oh, I see it now. But on the other side? Nope. So, here's the black M. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I don't know if you can see it in the light or not. So, I think it's nice. Really well made. Welds look really good. Do I think it's worth what I paid for it? Right now, no, I really don't. Hopefully it performs better than it looks, because like honestly, this thing is... I don't have a knife. Sorry, guys. Wait, finally got it. So this is like kind of pent up. This is the Mishmoto to auto performance cooling kind of guide. They have some cool stuff. It's pretty cool. Performance to the world, or the other program, the Mishmoto boards. It shows that I have lifetime warranty. Shows how to install it. Your lifetime warranty right here, lifetime warranty right here. It has a guide for how to install it. it's explaining its other product lines. So that's kind of cool. Low-key. Do I think I overpaid for this? Yeah, I do. Actually, with all the damage what's already on it, I think this is a used Radiator. I'll put that down. The world lead in performance cooling production. Yes, and this is just their cooling brush over for me to buy more of their shit. But and I got a cute little penguin dude. So hopefully it smells good. It'll probably smell like coolant, right? I mean, it came in a nice box. I mean, it looks pretty cool. Looks like it's in foam and stuff like that, and everything else is good. I guess we get to install this now. My car's kind of hot, so I kind of want to cool it down.
Sorry for the pre-recording, but other than this, there's 5 bolts you gotta take off for the radiator to get these fans off. You can take the fans or the whole radiator with the fans out before you do this, and it's just easy. But easier just take the bolts off after you have the radiator out of the thing. For you to actually take out the radiator, you need to disconnect the 2 prongs from both of the fans, and then they just pinch and pull and they come right out. Then after you do that, you have to do 2 clamps for the radiator fluid to go into the radiator. You gotta get that crap out, and then after that you can go ahead and install the radiator into the vehicle. Don't forget the bottom prong. That's your actual sensor to kind of gauge your temp so your fan can come in. After you go ahead and install all that little bits, you want to go ahead, if you see at the very bottom of the frame, you'll see the little rubber boots what were on the other radiator. You have to have those on the little feet of the radiator, and then you can just slip it in and it won't bounce back and forth. I went ahead and made the mistake of attaching everything, and I was like, what's going on? And that's the problem. After you do that, it's just simple plug and play, just like how you took it out. So the recap is, go ahead and make sure you have both rubber feet on the bottom of the radiator, have both bolts on top, strapping the radiator down, make sure it's tight, both little rubber or both sensor prongs to the fans, and the temperature prong down there connected. After you have all that, you can go ahead and attach your 2 coolant hoses. Just make sure they're kind of good. You're gonna have to wobble them back and forth, and grab them with the nail nose pliers. Just go ahead and pull them up. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and get with the bleeder valve. After you get your car up to temp and you put the coolant in there, there should be a little valve up there on top of your engine. It's right above your pulley tension rod, or your pulley tensioner. And then when you get that, just go ahead and bleed it. Barely move it over where it starts squirting off air and stuff like that. And make sure it's like pressurized and stuff like that, because it's gonna be bleeding for a long amount of time. Just make sure you have your AC blasting on the hottest things on your AC. When it's hot enough to burn at your fingertips, it's good to go. Make sure y'all like and subscribe and follow my stuff, and comment down below, see what else y'all want.